Let's see how pizza is made in a factory with very smart baking equipment. First of all, the necessary powders, salt, sugar, yeast and water are mixed in a big mixer for 4 minutes. Cornmeal is added for taste. As automatic machinery is used for everything, nothing goes to waste. When the well-prepared dough passes through the conveyor belt and reaches the sheeting machine, it is flattened into a flat sheet of 2.5 centimeters thickness. The rest of the dough on each side is cut and replaced with cutters. Then as a consistency, it gets a smooth surface by passing it through a series of rollers. Small holes of 7-10 millimeters are made using stainless steel strikers. This helps prevent air pockets in the tongue. Then plastic rollers cut it in 2 round pieces. The rest of the flour is separated and left for reuse. A sample is taken from this and weighed to check the weight of the piece in round shape. All this is then cooked in an oven at 200 to 315 degrees Celsius for 2 minutes. After it is cooked uniformly, it is sent to the next place through the conveyor belt to add various ingredients. There an automatic sauce machine can be seen accurately pouring without missing a single grain of sauce. Meanwhile, the cheese needed for the pizza is being made on the other side of the factory. There the big cheese is cut into smaller pieces. The cheese prepared in this way is spread as another layer on top of the sauce. The pizza is then topped with sausage and pepperoni at each stage and shipped ready to be packed. The company claims that this automatic machine can make 10,000 Italian pizzas and 18,000 American pizzas in an hour. How were the views of making pizza? If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.